Hey, marketing trailblazers! Just wrapped up a campaign and wondering how it really performed? It's time to dive into the data and uncover the story behind the numbers. Meet Powerdrill, your go-to tool for turning insights into action and making your next campaign even better. Watch as we download this publicly available online advertising dataset and demonstrate how Powerdrill can revolutionize your data analysis process. On the Powerdrill homepage, click on Upload Files to upload the dataset. The length of time it takes to read the dataset depends on its size. After synchronization is complete, Powerdrill will automatically proceed the data and provide some high-quality related questions. You can select preset questions in the exploration section of the sidebar, or ask questions based on specific needs. For example, you may want to know the ROI of a certain campaign. Don't manually calculate with Excel, ask Powerdrill. With simple dialogue commands, Powerdrill executes your requirements and analyze data effortlessly. You can see that there is code support behind each analysis step. Powerdrill calculated the return on investment for the campaign as requested, providing you with clear visualizations and data-driven insights. There are more. Generate a comprehensive report within seconds, helping you easily overview the campaign situation and uncover potential patterns. Empower your marketing strategy with Powerdrill. Analyze, predict, and optimize like never before. Visit our website to learn more and start your free trial today. Powerdrill, unlock 100x efficiency.